Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Powerbuilt 3-ton hydraulic bottle jack. The Powerbuilt tonneau jack solves this problem with an ingenious design that both
Introducing the
safely lifts and
Powerbuilt
securely
Unijack
holds a
from All
unibody
Trade
vehicle
Tools.
using a single
It's the
lift
world's
point.
first and only portable
The
jack
jack offers
designed to
both
safely
concave
lift and
flat
hold both
lifting
regular
surfaces
and
to
unibody
accommodate a
cars
wide
and
variety
trucks.
of lift points. All unibody
Every shade tree
vehicles have
mechanic and
factory-approved
do-it-yourselfer
lifting
knows the
points
drill
to
for
prevent
safely
damage
raising a
when
vehicle
jacking
for
up the vehicle.
servicing. First, you
But
jack
with a
your car or
conventional
truck
jack,
up using a
it's
bottle jack or
challenging to
scissor
properly
jack.
lift and hold a unibody
Then you place
vehicle,
jack stands
because
under
once
the
the
car.
vehicle is raised with a
Then
jack,
you lower the
there's
vehicle
no
onto the
space
jack
left to add a
stand.
jack stand.
Then you remove the jack and
The
finally get to work.
6,000-pound tonneau jack offers
Hard enough
lift
on a
range from
regular
11
vehicle.
to 21
But what
inches,
do you do when
which makes
raising
it
a
perfect
unibody
for trucks,
vehicle?
SUVs, and vans.
Unibody construction is
Safely
used on
lifts and
most
holds
sedans,
unibody and body
minivans,
on
and small
frame
SUVs.
vehicles. 3-ton capacity.
A unibody's continuous
Wide
metal
flat
pan
base adds
underneath the car
stability and
serves as the
reduces
main
sinking
structural
on softer
element,
surfaces.
tying the powertrain,
Combines jack
suspension
stand and
system, and
hydraulic
car
bottle
body
jack
together.
in one unit, eliminating need
All
for
unibody
separate jack
vehicles have
stand.
factory-approved lifting
Designed
points
to
to prevent
safely
damage
lift
when
and hold
jacking up
both
the
regular
vehicle.
and unibody cars and
With a
trucks.
conventional jack,
Combines
it's
jack
challenging to
stand and
properly lift
hydraulic
and
bottle
hold a
jack in
unibody
one
vehicle.
unit, eliminating
Because
need for
once the
separate
vehicle is
jack
raised
stand.
with a jack, there's no
Safety
space
bar
left to add a
locks the
jack
unit
stand.
desired height.
The Powerbuilt
Safely lifts
Unijack
and
solves
holds
this
unibody
problem
and
with an
body on
ingenious
frame
design that
vehicles.
both safely lifts and
Combines jack
securely
stand
holds
and
a
hydraulic
unibody
bottle
vehicle
jack
using
in
a
one
single
unit,
lift point.
eliminating need for
The
separate jack
Unijack
stand.
offers both concave.
Our second best hydraulic jacks is Big Red Hydraulic Trolley Floor Jack. The Torin Big Red T820014S hydraulic trolley floor jack is constructed with heavy-duty steel, providing long-term durability with an industrial luster. This floor jack has a 1.5-ton capacity and features a minimum lifting height of 5 3/5 inch and a maximum height of 13 inch, which is ideal for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. A safety bypass system prevents overloading and ensures safe operation. Equipped with large steel casters and 360-degree swivel casters for smooth maneuverability. The Torin Big Red T820014S hydraulic trolley floor jack is equipped with a handle for quick portability. It includes a plastic blow mold carrying case for easy storage when not in use. Before first use on any lift, verify that a daily inspection has been completed and that all components are in the proper working order. A safety bypass system prevents overloading and ensures safe operation. Hydraulic trolley floor jack is constructed with heavy-duty steel, providing long-term durability with an industrial luster. Safety bypass system prevents overloading and ensures safe operation. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is Big Red T91003B hydraulic welded bottle jack. The Big Red hydraulic bottle jack is easy to carry and position, weighing only around 10.7 pounds total. When first using this jack, you must follow the instructions to remove excess air and possibly top up the hydraulic fluid. This tiny bottle jack has a 10-ton lift capacity. It can lift vehicles up to 18.13 inches and comes with a 1-year warranty. This bottle jack's small size makes it highly portable, but the design means that it won't fit under vehicles with low clearance. It did not fit under our first test vehicle, so we tested it on an SUV with a higher chassis. Engineered using a drop-forged alloyed steel construction for quality and durability, inner/outer welded structure delivers leak-free performance. Glide action pressure pump is designed to lift with minimal effort, integrated built-in oil bypass and overload valve that protects the hydraulic system from extending beyond limits. Number 4 in our best hydraulic jacks list is Torin T83505W hydraulic floor jack. The Torin Blackjack is a low-profile floor jack that is made with heavy-duty steel. A built-in safety overload system prevents lifting beyond load capacity. We like this floor jack because it is very easy to use, rolls nicely on its casters, and is simple to assemble. The Torin Blackjack T83505W racing floor jack can be used for general or specialty use and features a 3-ton capacity. With a lift range between 3 and 7 by 10 inch to 18 and 7 by 100 inch, you can gain easy access under low-profile vehicles. It's constructed of high-strength steel for stability and long-term durability. Equipped with a single piston quick lift pump, allowing you to easily raise the jack to the desired height. A foam bumper on the handle helps protect your vehicle from damage. In terms of safety, this Torin service jack even comes with a built-in safety overload system which prevents use beyond load capacity. Our last pick is AFF 4-ton heavy-duty floor jack. When SUVs like the Chevy Tahoe can weigh nearly 6,000 pounds, you'll need a serious jack to work on one. The 4-ton American Forge and Foundry offers near professional performance at a consumer price. Don't expect to toss it around, as it weighs 105 pounds of solid steel. With a width of 14.33 inches and a length of 28.82 inches, it provides extra stability with heavy loads. Higher lift heights are important with larger vehicles, and it has 16.2 inches of lift, ranging from 4.3 inches to 20.5 inches. It has a pinned and padded rubber saddle, which differs from the metal saddles with rubber inserts found on lighter jacks and is essential for keeping trucks and SUVs from slipping. It has 2 hydraulic cylinders that make lifting easier and faster, and the long handle detaches for storage.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!